Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Okta for SSO in a React application, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Okta for single sign-on in a React application, first, ensure you have an Okta account. Log in to your Okta dashboard. Create a new application by navigating to the Applications tab. Select Create App Integration. Choose Web as the platform and then OpenID Connect as the sign-in method. Click Next to proceed. Fill in the required fields for your application settings. For the redirect URI, use the URL where you want Okta to send users after they authenticate, typically something like http://localhost 3000/authorization code/callback. Set the initiate login URI to the URL where users can request authentication. Choose the appropriate grant type, most likely authorization code. Click Save to create your application. Make note of the client ID and client secret generated for your app. Next, head over to your React Applications project directory. Install the necessary Okta dependencies by running the command npm install at okta/oktareact at okta/oktaauth.js. Open your app's main component file, commonly app.js. Import security, login callback, and secure route from at okta/oktareact. Set up the security component, passing in the issuer and the client ID. The issuer URL typically looks like https:// your Okta domain /OAuth2/default. Wrap your routes with the secure route component for authenticated access. Define a login callback route to handle redirects after login. Create a login button that uses the use OctaAuth hook to perform the authentication. Finally, test your application by running npm start. Visit your app in the browser and click the login button to initiate the Okta authentication flow. Once logged in, you should be directed back to your application successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.